Hello TV members, my name is Lev Sklati and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import the demo data of Advis DB theme. So let's go to my screen and I will show you how you can do that. Alright, as you can see on my screen, this is the Divi Advis child theme, and if you have purchased from my website, diviawesome.com, or any other marketplace that we use to sell our product, don't worry about that. Let me show you the demo content, like the demo version of the Advis Divi child theme. So this is the demo website, advis.duogeeks.com, and as you can see over here, this is the child theme that we are going to import demo content import in our new website, and I will show you how you can do that. Let's go to the another WordPress that I just installed, and I will show you how you can do that. So first you have to install the Divi theme, and I will recommend you to install fresh WordPress and latest Divi. Okay, now how you can install the Divi? So just come over here in the appearance themes and then click on this add new. And once you click on this add new, then it will show upload theme, and then you have to choose the file like the Divi theme. So let me just navigate the Divi theme over here. Okay, and I will just click on this install now. And once this is installed, then we have to activate it, and after we can install our child theme, and then we can import the demo content. Okay, like let me tell you, most of the time what people do with my themes is that they upload my theme as a theme, but it's actually a plugin. It's actually a plugin. Okay, so don't get confused. All my child themes exported in the plugin version, not in the theme version. Okay, now once we activate the Divi theme, make sure to activate the Divi theme, like put your credentials in the theme like that in the Divi, and then go to the updates. Okay, so make sure to do that. Okay, after that you have to click on this add new. Okay, so we just need to go to the plugins and click on this add new. Now once we are over here, click on this upload plugin and then choose file. So now over here what you have to choose, let me tell you how what file you have to choose over here. Okay, so let me just go to the Advis folder, and over here it says Advis Divi child theme plugin installer. Make sure to upload this file. Okay, don't extract it or anything. It's just plugin installer, so upload it as it is. Okay, now I'll just click on this open and then click on the install now, and this will take around 1 minute or couple of seconds to install the Divi Advis Divi child theme. And after that we just have to click on this activate plugin. Now once this is activated, over here you see one new option which says Advis Divi theme plugin installer. Okay, Divi child theme plugin installer. So now once we are over here, now let me tell you, before the contacts, somewhere over here you will see one video which is the documentation video of the Advis Divi child theme. Right now there is no video because I haven't uploaded yet, but once you get this Advis Divi child theme installer, maybe you will see one video over here. So in that video you can see how to edit the header, footer, advanced part of the website, for example CSS and all those stuff. So make sure to check out that before contacting me. And still, if you need me, don't worry about that. You can always contact me over here by clicking contact, or you can go to my website, and at the right bottom you will see this help, and you can always contact me from there. Okay, now let's get back to the installer. And okay, now we need content, post, pages, product, etc. Set home page, yes, definitely we need that. Widgets, yes. Menus, yes. Divi library templates, yes. Divi theme builder, something like header, footer, and all those stuff. Divi settings, yes, obviously we need that, but obviously not the license and API keys. Okay, so you have to make sure that you put your own API key. Now these are the plugins that we are using for the Advis Divi child theme: recent post widget with thumbnail, SVG support, and WP page navi. So make sure to check all of these plugins. And after that we have some Advis Divi child theme, yeah, like this will import the child theme and CSS and everything. And then we have the customizer over here, customizer settings and custom CSS. Okay, so once you are done with this, click on this big insight import, and it will take a couple of minutes, for example 5 to 10 minutes, because it have a lot of images and a plugin, so that's why it takes a lot of time to import. Okay, so maybe it can take 5 to 10 minutes. Right now it's 27%, so I will get back to you once this is completed, or at least at 95%, so then we can move forward and I will show you what is the next part. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll get back to you. Okay, now as you can see, we are almost done, and in the process of the, like, when we are importing the demo content, there was an error in the images, and that is due to the internet connection. So don't worry about that. If you face any kind of error, make sure to rerun the process and see if it is happening or not. Okay, so before contacting, make sure that you import the demo content twice if it is not uploading in the first time. Now as you can see, your site package has been imported, so let's check on the front end and let's see if it is imported or not, if there is any problem or not, or if everything is okay. So as you can see over here, right now it's loading. So as this is the first time, so it takes couple of seconds to load the website. Okay, so don't worry about that, and let's see, let's just reload the website. Okay, all right, as you can see, our demo data has been imported, and if you see over here, we have all the images, all the text, and everything is okay right now. And let's just scroll down to the bottom and let's see if there is any problem or not. Okay, I think everything is perfect over here, and it's just one thing over here. If you can see, we have one new post which is not in the initial WordPress. So I will just go back to the backend in the post, and this post is by default when you install a new WordPress. Okay, so make sure to delete this one, and let's just go to the front end. Let's see now how it. Okay, now as you can see over here, we have the blog section, and in which we have three posts over here, and the latest one was deleted. Okay, so now let's go to the another page and let's see how it looks like. Okay, also one more thing in the setup. Okay, so you have to make sure to delete this one, index.php, and how you can delete that, let me show you. So to delete that, you have to go to the permalink settings and then permalinks, and in that you have to select the post name and then save changes. Let's get back to the front end. Let's see, let's refresh the page and let's see how it looks like. Okay, now as you can see, it says contact. Okay, so there is no index.php, and as you can see over here, everything is imported and looks perfect to me. Now let's check the blog page. Also, this is the first time that we have just imported the DVChannel theme, so make sure to give some time to load all the images and everything. And once this is done, then the website will be normal, and you can visit the website without any hassle. Okay, yeah, everything is perfect to me. And still, if in case you face any issue with the installation of the DVChannel theme, don't worry about that. You can always contact using the contact over here in the DVChannel theme plugin installer. You can use this contact, and simply you can go to the support at duogeeks.com, or if you want to contact me on Messenger, Facebook Messenger, so simply go to my website dvawesome.com, and at the right bottom you will see this help. You can contact me from here. Okay, and make sure to check the dvawesome.com, because we upload 30 layouts every month and 2 new channel themes every month. So make sure to check dvawesome every month or every day. Okay, and right now we are having a discount on our website, and if you want to become our member, don't forget to check out that, and you will get a huge discount. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.